और कुछ इवेंट भी हो रहा है ना आज इवनिंग, शाम को कुछ इवेंट है मैरिज।
We want to do it there, guys.
एक ब्रेक एक मिनट वही जा रहे हैं।
Guys, please let's do it as a branding. Yeah, please. No. Yeah.
बैग छोड़ो तो मैं गेट प्रेसर को दिखा दूंगा। इसमें एक रखा है। भाई लाइट मारोगे?
लाइट मार दिया ना, पहले बैठ पहले बैठ। एक्सक्यूज मी, रुकना जरा है। हाँ हाँ ब्रांडिंग आ ही रहा है।
मलाइका, वेरी गुड टू सी यू हियर। और मतलब आप ये कह रहे हैं ना, गलत नहीं हो कि आप बिजनेस वुमन हो गई हैं पूरी तरह।
Sorry?
बिजनेस वुमन हो
Businesswoman. Well, I think अच्छा है ना, होना चाहिए। अगर आप कुछ अलग करना चाहते हो, I think it's the right time to diversify. And अगर आप देखो तो आजकल सारे हमारे इंडस्ट्री के सारे औरतें एकदम मतलब बिजनेस वुमन बन गए, and they're all doing a fantastic job.
Tell us about what the collection will be, you know, what you can see on the poster, you know, it's really full of life, you know.
It's all very simple, very wearable, very affordable. We have the resort collection. We have a collection for the party season. We're previewing a collection which is for 2014. So yeah, there's a lot. And like I said, they're for women of all kinds of shapes and sizes. We're not restricting it only to the young kids or only for or for the middle age. It's for everybody. There's something for everybody.
What are the things you look into before starting? How this whole thing happened? You know?
Well, I think fashion and clothing and all is something that I've always loved. I've always enjoyed. But when the opportunity came my way, the Label Corp asked me to be part of their family, and they asked me if I'd do the closet label. I jumped at it because it just seemed like such an interesting concept. It's something that I never really ventured into earlier. I'd never really got into the e-com of the business or shopping, and it seemed like a different idea to actually go online and shop. And बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है because इतने सारे जो customers जो आते हैं और shop करते हैं online, it's amazing. I didn't even know there are so many people who shop online, but now that I have this, It's good fun.
There's chances in coming to the flagship store in Mumbai.
वो
Though it is online.
वो तो अभी पता नहीं. I think right now that's a little premature for me to be talking about. Right now we're enjoying what we're doing online and we're loving it. And what we're doing today is a preview purely because when you shop online, you really get to see, to feel the clothes, कि you know कैसा रहेगा, उनका texture कैसा है, how does it fit. So this is what we're doing today is basically so that you actually get a chance to preview my collection and touch, feel and hold and enjoy it.
How's the response altogether? You know, I've seen numerous people over there having a
It's, by the grace of God, it's been fantastic. It's been a lot of fun. The best part is when you actually go out and somebody is wearing something from your collection and they tell you, you know, we love what you make and we love what we shop on the closet label. So it feels really good.
Is there any chances, you know, Malaika Arora Khan is becoming a designer, or we see your costume designed by you people walking on the ramp?
You never know, Shayad, very soon, you never know. I'll have a show or something and I can actually preview it on RAM. That will be fantastic. That will be a true dream come true for me.
How's the family response? You know, how your family reacted to your this initiative?
Everybody's always happy. I think the best part is everybody's supportive, everybody's happy and everybody shops online, so it's good.
Did Salman Bhai saw your collection? Did he know that your
It's for women now, it's not for men.
It's not for men.
It's not for
Other parts of the
men.
family,
Yes,
you
he's
know,
aware.
Alvida and all.
Yes, all of them, all my families, they're all aware. My sister-in-law, my sister, my husband, my friends, everybody is aware. But like I said, it's for women. They shop online.
Okay, Malaika, what's happening on professional front? You know, what's there in the pipeline?
We, well, we're in the middle of starting our next film, which we're producing in the new year. So that is what we're busy with, and we're looking forward to the film.
It will be a sequel of Dabangg or something else?
No, it's not. It's called Dolly to Dolly. That's what we'll be starting next.
Do you zero down on the start path also or still working?
We're still in the process of all of that.
Is there any chances that Salman Bhai will be there in the film?
That only Arbaz can answer. I can't answer those questions. He's in charge of all of that.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, you wish you to tell me.
Hi everybody, this is Malaika Arora Khan and here's wishing everybody a Merry Christmas and a fantastic New Year. Happy 2014.
Thank you so much, ma'am.